Hey YouTube, Hacks here with Digital Polymath. Today we got the EVGA Supernova 750 watt G3 80 plus gold rated power supply. So we're just gonna do a quick unboxing. This is one of the power supply that I'll be using for my new build, and I just wanted to capture the unboxing so that you guys can see what comes in the box. This comes in a very nice box. It's very substantial, quite heavy. And we got a little Okay, so inside the box we got the manual and what looks like very nice pouch, carrying case probably for all the power cables, because this is a fully modular power supply. What that means is all the cables can be detached, so this helps in keeping your case uncluttered, right? So you only plug in the wires that you're going to use, the ones that will be plugging into the rest of the components, and everything else you can leave detached so that it doesn't use up space, doesn't cause any airflow issues. So it looks like it comes with some very nice Velcro ties for that cable management, and we have the modular cables which come in a black color with a braided cable. So these are actually pretty nice as is, but in a later video I'm actually gonna show you guys the cable mod custom cables that I got for this power supply. I got it in the white color. They actually come in a lot of other colors. We'll cover that in the other video, but basically it helps to kind of give your build that extra aesthetic. So here's all the wires, and let's see what's in. This is probably the power supply itself, very nicely packaged with the foam to protect it. And the power supply itself comes in a nice EVGA pouch, and here it is, Supernova 750 G3, and there's where all the cables would plug in, and they're very nicely labeled with the motherboard, CPU, VGA, SATA cables. Yep, very cool. And let's see if there's anything else here. Got some screws for the power supply and some adapters, and that's about it.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe and like button to help my channel grow.